Hello, this is also the student demo for biology, and this is for Taylor and the rest of the science department to kind of look at, and I would love your feedback. This is basically what our students would see if they, this is possibly one of the vendors, Apex, that we may be using. But I am not, the queen of this content, and you guys are the kings and queens of it. So I'm going to just let you look at all the units that are covered. They go from Unit 1, Introduction to Biology, kind of just see and preview what is being covered. This would be covered within a year, 12 units. I am only going to just give you just a general of what they cover content-wise. I'm also going to be giving you a syllabus as well, so you can fully be aware of what is being covered, and I would love your input. So basically the way it looks that this operates is students can review concepts, and there are supplementary material that they can download and print. This is something that's common between English, I looked at math, and then I'm looking at biology now. This one's actually a little bit more interactive. They click it and then the definition comes up. But if we continue on, we're going to resume studying this. They come with study guides, and this is the part that we're going to be talking to Apex about why is it that the students are required to print this out. This is meant to be an online course, so what I'm worried is that students are going to read this and it's going to say, complete your questions on the study guide. They are required to print it. Are they really going to print it? Are they really going to do it? Are they supposed to scan it to the instructor? And how are our instructors going to ensure that they're actually, wrestling with this material? Something else that I want to bring to your attention that I feel may serve math, but it doesn't serve English. I want to know your input. They're actually able to translate any sort of worksheet and then be able to print it and complete it this way. Let me know how you feel about that. I don't know if that's helpful. I know it's not focusing on English in science, it's the content of science. So this may actually be helpful for our international students, but I know we do want to develop their English. So you just let me know. I'm going to see if they can actually remove that as an option, but let's continue. So let me show you what a quiz is going to look like, because what that looks like is they will be prompted to take the quiz. They'll take it, and I'm just going to go ahead and guess because I just kind of want to give you guys a snapshot. And they get instant feedback, which is similar to English and math. The thing is that we're a little worried about is, let's just say they are with their friend. One person takes the quiz, and guess what? The correct answer gets shown. Or actually, you know what? That's actually a good point. The correct answer doesn't get shown. It just shows that it's incorrect. But still, now the person, if they're partnering up, with somebody, they now know that for sure question 1 is A, and for sure question 2, D isn't an option. So I'm going to also talk about Apex, or to Apex, if they have different quiz, like a quiz A, quiz B, or just different options that we can use so students aren't using the same quiz. In a nutshell, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. They have they have different activities. I think that's probably something else I do want to show you is the activities. There are journal entries that they'll have to, which actually, and that's also a bummer. That's also something they have to download. Whereas for English, they were able to actually type up and submit their answers. So this is something else that, I'm going to really make sure to ask if these supplementary worksheets, how are they actually being graded and submitted? Like I said, I went ahead and I am printing the syllabus and the lab materials and what is needed for this course. I'm going to be giving a hard copy to Taylor and Mrs. Pack to look and review. But we just are trying to get an idea if Apex is who we want to go with as we launch our online. So that is pretty much it. I just wanted to give you a snapshot of what this looks like. Thank you.